Today we're line painting a residential building parking lot. Keep watching the video, I'll show you how we do that. How's it going? It's Jeff Lepard from DoItAllCeiling.com. On this channel, we do paving, asphalt repair, concrete work, general contracting, and much, much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Due to the popularity of our other video on my Jeff Lepard channel, we're going to be doing nighttime line painting on this residential building parking lot. The reason why we're doing it at night, it's a very busy parking spot, and they blocked it off, and they really want to get this done at night, at least to get it started. Therefore, in the morning when we come back, some cars can shift over and have somewhere to park. So we're going to try to get this done as quick as possible. It's just started to get dark, so we're doing this at nighttime. First thing I need to do, it's fairly clean, but I'm just going to start up the handheld blower, and I'm just going to give it a really quick blow before I begin. First step, what I want to do is I just want to chalk out on each end where my lines are going to end. That way I have nice, clean, straight lines. So they're going to be 18 feet. So I'm just going to use my measuring wheel from the curb, and I'm going to measure 18 feet out, put a mark with the chalk, do the same at the other end. Then I'm going to run a string line and tape that down and chalk all the existing lines, and that's where the lines are going to start. I've got my Nashua duct tape. I've already got it across the line. I'm going to tape it down on the other end. Don't have to go too crazy with the tape. I'm just going to pull just enough tension so that the line is straight at the other end. Tape it down on that end, and I'll begin chalk marking where I'm going to be starting the lines. So the string is taped down. It's got a lot of tension on it. Now we can begin marking. So we have two accessibility stencils. So I'm just going to, we can see them. I'm just going to put a line. I already know whereabouts I'm going to put the mark. And we have an existing line here, and I'm just going to mark that and continue on. Now that the parking lines are marked, and we've already did that with a chalk, I'm going to put the accessibility stencil over the existing spot, and I'm just going to mark where I'm going to be applying the blue paint. Just going to get this centered. This is where I'm going to want it, and I'm just going to mark out just the edges and the sides. It doesn't matter if I go past, because I'll be striping around the blue after. Now I'm ready to apply the accessibility blue down. So you can do this with the line striper, the line painter, but as I've done in my other videos, I only have two of these, and my line painter is already set up to spray yellow. I don't want to have to do a color change and then switch back to yellow. It's just going to take too much time, so I'm just going to do it the old-fashioned way with a roller. If I had more than two to do, I would actually put it on a pole to save the strain on your back. It's a lot easier to do, but I'm just going to do it the old-fashioned way, dump it, and roll it as you've seen in my previous videos. And we'll give a little bit of time for that to dry before we go ahead and do the bordering. Now I'm ready to start the borders of the accessible parking. string line, taped it down. So we're going to be doing some number stenciling and parking lines here. So I'm just going to lay this number stencil down right against the string, and this is where I'm going to be putting the numbers. Just like that. So just like the other section, I've already finished striping the lines. Now I have number stenciling to do. Of course, the stencils are all centered and lined up from the string line, and I have my line painter. I'm ready to roll. I'm going to start spraying the number stencils. So that's it. The line painting is now complete. Just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bash that bell to turn notifications on for all upcoming videos. Share the video, give us a thumbs up, and like our video. Leave a comment, and we'll see you next time from DoItAllCeiling.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.